Binil.
Automatic filing machine construction device. If we hit this button, right here, you can see all of the components for a flying machine are pushed into place, and the flying machine takes off. So all of that,
Oh, sunog na, Diyo.
and the structure.
Sunog, init. Patayin mo. Yan.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Patay.
Simple, to be honest with you.
Yan.
I mean, there it is.
Yan. Lagyan mong toyo na.
I am kind of curious. I want to put this into fully automatic mode, so we'll start
Toyo.
launching flying machines out.
Saan mga gulay? Wash na.
All immediately getting destroyed. I mean, it's totally pointless. 100% pointless.
Init?
That's the whole point of this series. It's all meant to be entirely pointless. Did that one get away?
O, asan yung lalagyan mo?
Oh my god, it survived!
Nana?
How embarrassing!
Nana? Asan pinggan? Oh, ulog.
It's
Ulog ang asin, Rashid.
That speech at the start, talking about how it's so much easier to destroy than it is to create.
Pati toyo.
These flying machines, I'm absolutely terrible at
Toyo.
destroying them. This is embarrassing. Lucas Jesus has asked me to build squeak inflatables.
Ito, asin.
to sound like you harp on them. I thought you'd never ask. And
Oh,
I mean, I haven't
yung
taken
pa, Diyo,
question.
oh.
When will this stop
Kay Wanda.
fading for me? How old am I? You know, because
Saan na?
I'm 25 years old, I shouldn't find it as entertaining as I do.
Wow.
I have a resource pack that creates squeaky noises when you stand on inflatables. You know, this should not be as entertaining as it is.
Ha,
Yet
ha,
it is.
hotdog.
Yeah, all the builds I've done, all of the bases that I've made, the projects that I've worked on, I think this resource pack
Oo, kunin mo.
best thing to ever come out of Handcraft. Brian Lutz has asked me to build a machine that picks a random coloured sheep, shears it, and delivers the wool to you. Those times when you eat wool but don't care what colour it is. This is definitely a sheep
Up.
rights violation right here. I mean,
Up.
this is a nightmare. This is really. I feel
Up,
actually
yeah.
a little bit guilty, but I mean,
Hey,
it
kita,
does
Titi.
work. Look, I just got a little bit of green.
Ay.
wool. You know, if I hit the button again, I got a little bit of red wool. You know, and then
Yun.
got the yellow one. I mean, it's doing the job. It's
Paalisin mo si
doing a
Loki
good
dyan.
job. I'm actually impressed that that worked
Baka
so well.
umihi.
It never normally works that well. Let's try it again. All right, let's see what we get this time. We've got a little bit of green. I mean, how many different colours do I have in here? Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Surely I honestly can't believe that I haven't had a repeat yet. This is mad.
Wow.
What's going on? What is that?
Papa na.
It can't.
Okay,
It's
thank
the
you.
This is the best machine I've ever made.
Oh.
I've broken the universe. And on that incredibly
Hulog, hulog.
I hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Lug, lug, lug.
Ideas. I've missed doing this. I've read.